Chamber Temperature Sensor Replacement Guide for the X2D. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance.
Remove the old chamber temperature sensor.
To replace the chamber temperature sensor, start by removing the top glass cover,
Locate the sensor behind the front door and peel away the tape securing the wire. Use an H2.0 Allen key to remove the 2 screws from the underside of the sensor. Once the screws are out, disconnect the sensor from the connector beside it and remove the old unit. Install the new chamber temperature sensor. Now, take your new sensor and plug it into the connector. Position the sensor so that the inclined surface faces inward. As you install the first screw, hold the sensor in place by hand to keep it aligned. After both screws are uniformly tightened, you'll need to secure the wiring. Carefully tape the cable back onto the top of the sensor housing. Finally, power on the printer and verify that the chamber temperature is displaying correctly on the screen. It should reflect a value close to your current room temperature.